hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain.
Hey guys, welcome back to your girl. It's Vibing with Empress, and today's video is a little bit different. So I'm gonna be sharing a few days leading up to the Christmas holiday because I did not get a chance to really vlog everything on camera. So I want to have a sit down video just to kind of watch the video, kind of go through the video with you and kind of tell you the missing pieces of the video so that you guys get a full understanding of the video. For the whole Christmas cooking and prepping and all of that, we had done a cookie video with my daughter, guys. If you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna link it up top. Just click the pop-up up top and you can certainly watch that video. Right, we did a video making cookies, and then I did another video making chocolate tea using the Jamaican traditional chocolate. Wanted to share that for you on Christmas morning, but due to the rush and all of that, your girl did not get a chance to upload. So you're going to see the tutorial on how to make Jamaican chocolate tea, right? It is this nostalgia. Oh, it's hot. I'm gonna wash this spoon like a baby. Yeah, come over. You know, no more sugar milk. Good. Alright guys, so our chocolate tea is ready and it is smelling good. I add some marshmallows to the top. Try this, it's so good. Tea, right? The following day, Christmas Eve, was where I was in full-on Christmas prep mode, right? I had some challenges getting through some stuff and everything came at me at once. So I rushed to the meat shop, Gibbo Trading, and if you know Gibbo, you know so Gibbo is terrible on a regular basis. Can you imagine during the peak season, right? So I went grocery shopping, I went to the supermarket and grabbed some stuff. As I would have made mention in other videos, that throughout that week I have been stopping at the supermarket and just picking up bits and pieces of things as I see them, right? I did not go to Price Mart any at all. Like, I literally hide from Price Mart. There's some stuff that I need to restock on and I'm not going until the new year. Alright guys, so I got home, change out my clothes, so it's time to take on the house and I don't know where to start. But let me show you the stuff. I'm not going to do a haul, guys, because there's a lot of things and the place is messy. So I have this is the beef, the pot roast beef I was telling you guys about. Sorry about the dishes in the sink, but this is the beef that I was telling you about. This is my smoked ham. This is some local goat that I bought from my co-worker, and I have 25 pounds of mixed parts in here. So I have a catering order for tomorrow, so I'm going to do some jerk chicken for the person. So I ordered 25 pounds of chicken, and here is my oxtail. I not too like how the oxtail look, but the place is crowded. So this is the oxtail. So I have these meat to prep. I have the fish to prep. Red snapper fish. I'm gonna order some more mutton. I'm gonna mix it with the goat and the mutton together. So I'm gonna order some more mutton. And let's see, some sliced fish for hubby, because hubby don't eat meat. But you know, we have family, and so yeah. And we have some shrimp and some other stuff. So yeah, we have a lot of work to do. I don't know where to start. I bought this soup from in Juicy, so I'm gonna drink some soup, and then I'm going to start getting ready. So yeah. Alright guys, so I am starting out the cereal. I have some cloves, so I drop some cloves. This is some dry cereal, so I boil them separately. Alright, so I'm gonna add some water into this and blend up some ginger and add some ginger. Did the shopping and stuff like that. Got back home, so later that night, because I was busy washing, cleaning, you know, organizing my living room, pull up my curtains, washing the curtains, you know, putting up curtains and all of that. And it took all night, believe it or not. It took me, I was up until 2 o'clock Christmas Eve trying to get the house in order, right? And later that morning I made breakfast, guys. I made some cook up saltfish with fried dumplings. I absolutely did not video the saltfish, but I can show you the fried dumplings. We did make some fried dumplings and saltfish, and we started cooking immediately, because I told you we had a catering for jerk chicken, and the person was collecting that at 10:30, 11 o'clock. And of course I woke up like 8 o'clock, because I was beat. Like, I didn't start my Christmas morning until 8 a.m. and I had to be rushing to start out the catering order that I have. That I did not capture the whole presentation of it because I was behind time. We got that done, and then I started immediately cooking, you know, the oxtail, start doing my pot roast. I started doing my mac and cheese. I captured video of that, so you guys should see the mac and cheese. Started decorating the ham and all of that stuff, and then we did a family exchange. They didn't really want to come on camera, so we did a family exchange, and I'm going to be showing you the gift that I get from my pixie at home and from my pixie at work. Right, finished cook and everything by 5:30, and the guests arrived around 6:30. You know, my family, they came by the house at 6:30. We all ate and, you know, had a really good time and stuff for it. So pretty much that was it for Christmas Day. I was absolutely beat. My feet were so swollen, like I could hardly stand. Like I could not come on the camera because I was looking hella tired, like hella tired. No camera. I could not pick up the camera, guys, throughout the Christmas time. But yeah, I did had a good time with my family. We eat food nice, everybody loved them dinner. And you know, that was mission accomplished. Every year is like, for me, I always say, oh, I'm not gonna cook, we can't bother with the cooking. And then I eventually do it at the last minute, because I do enjoy cooking and I like to host and I like people enjoying the meals. I think that's a love language for me, cooking and giving it to you, and then you know, you enjoy it. That's like, I feel good about that. I feel good about it. That was it for Christmas. You know, that was it for Christmas. It was rushed. Some things were very last minute, some things were beyond my control, but then at the end they all come together. It all come together. My family were here. Everybody get food to take home. Just remember to be kind to yourself. Just remember to be kind to yourself. Be kind to one another. Just remember that there's a balance in life, and just also to remember there's a season. Everybody goes through a season where some days it is very good, some days it's not good. And that can be your health wise, that can be financial, that can just be how you're feeling emotionally at this time. But just take your time to heal. Be intentional in wanting to heal, because that's another thing. Sometimes we just leave ourselves in the gutter and don't want to come out, and then our entire life is just passing us by, right? And throughout this Vlogmas, it has taught me, I have learned that with persistent determination equals consistency. I appreciate the support that I've been getting, and coming 2026, your girl means business as it relates to content creation. But I have a video coming up with that, so look out for that videos. What 2025 has taught me, right? And we're going to talk about it in the next vlog. So yes guys, if it is your very first time to my channel, welcome to Vibing with Empress. I hope you enjoy the videos, and if you enjoy the videos, I hope that you give your girl a subscribe. Guys, turn your post notification by hitting the bell. When you press the bell, you should select all notification. That way, if I'm going live streaming, if I just post a video, if I post something on my community post, because I do post on my community post to keep up with you guys and to update you guys, you'll definitely get the notification. Alright? Because sometimes I see some person saying they're not seeing my live stream, they're not seeing my videos popping up. If you already selected all notification, what you can do is to just refresh it by clicking on and off, just to make sure that the bell is gray, and then we should be good. Okay guys, so I wish and I hope that you guys had a Merry Christmas, and that your family is okay, and that you're okay, and I wish you all the best for 2026. All your heart desire, everything that you want, I wish that God will bless you guys. And guys, don't forget to put God in it. Little is much when God is in it. It doesn't matter how small it is, as long as you have God in it, it is a big thing. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.